Hello everyone, welcome to Hafiz Excel Academy. If you want to learn Microsoft Excel from beginner to advanced in a simple and practical way, then you are in the right place. My name is Hafiz and on this channel I will teach you Microsoft Excel step by step in a very easy and practical way. On this channel you will learn Excel basics, formulas and functions, formatting, tables, charts, and many powerful Excel tips and tricks that are used in real office work. Whether you are a student, a job seeker, an office worker, or a business owner, Excel is one of the most important skills you can learn today. In this complete Excel course, I will guide you step by step so that you can understand everything easily. So if you want to improve your Excel skills and become confident in using Microsoft Excel, make sure you subscribe to Hafiz Excel Academy. Also like this video and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new Excel tutorial. Thank you for watching and let's start learning Excel together.